This tutorial will take you through the basics of your YouTube channel, which the fastest way, there's no web address that says YouTube channel or anything. The way to get there for you is to go to studio.youtube.com. When you go to studio.youtube.com, if it's your first time there, you may get some prompts that you need to click through a few times. I've been there before and I've used it, so I don't need to worry about that. But if it's the first time, just click through those prompts and get the channel set up. This main screen you'll see over here is called your dashboard. That shows you any analytics, things like that. Not really stuff you're worried about. If you make anything public, that this is where you would see any public things. I only have one video that I've made public. I do the rest of mine unlisted, which we'll talk about in a minute. The area that you want to focus on is this videos over here on the left-hand side. When you click on videos, this shows you a list of every video that you have uploaded to YouTube. So if from Screencastify, you've been uploading things and grabbing that URL, this is actually where they are. This is how you access them again. You'll see I have an error here one. I can delete this video and delete that permanently so it's not in my way. But you will see the names of all the videos that you've uploaded. You can do some editing here as well. So if you mistakenly made something private, private means that only you can see it. For others to see it, you need to make it unlisted. You can change that from this area. Public means anyone can see it. I don't make any of mine public. No one in the world needs to hear me or see me, just those that I want. So I make mine unlisted. And again, private is just for you. So that's a very quick, easy way to manage things here. For those videos you've already uploaded, you have a few, when you hover over it, you have a few choices. This edit, I'm going to skip that for now. I'm going to make that the last thing I look at. You can look at analytics, the comments. You can view it on YouTube, and we'll talk about why you might want to do that in a second. The three dots at the left, though, if I need to go back and get a link for something to share with folks, I click on Get Shareable Link. That copies it, and I can paste that in Schoology wherever I need that to be. So know that that's probably the biggest thing you'll need to do here. If you need to grab the link for something, the three dots, Get Shareable Link. You can download it, delete, whatever else you might need to do there. So those are some basics. If you need to do something to multiple videos at once, notice you have checkbox. So if I set the visibility wrong, I can click on multiple and you get this black bar at the top. I can do some editing. I can edit the visibility of everything at once, and I could change them to public. I could change them to private because they're currently unlisted, which I don't want to do, but that's how you manage multiple ones at once. You can also look at the audience piece. Something important to note, when you look at the audience, if you make something yes made for kids, that will turn off the share and embed links. So let's take a look at what happens when I have that. So if I now go to view this on YouTube, because I made it for students, some teachers are asking me why they can't see the share button. It's because you marked it as only available, that it is appropriate for students, and YouTube does something where that means that share and embed is turned off. You'll see that there. If I come back and it's updated my videos. If I come back and now change the audience to not made for kids and update the videos, it changes it, and I can now see that share and embed link so that I can grab that. I've been suggesting teachers, if they want to, they can turn off yes it's made, turn it to no it's made for kids, grab that embed or that share if they need it, but you really don't need it. You can grab it for yourself from that main page. So you'll see as this is loading, I now have
this video
share
will show you how
down here where I didn't before. Something else to note, if this video is for students, you do want to make sure after you upload one that you'll see this, remember this blue bar, it means it's not approved for my Exeter. That means students cannot view this video. They will get an error message even though you've made it. You need to make sure and double check. Many of your videos it will approve right away, but I always double check my videos before sharing with students that they are approved so that students can view them. That goes with any video that you find online. So if you find a video that you want, make sure that you check that's approved for students while you're in there. Final piece here in YouTube Studio. If you have a video on your computer that you want, or maybe you made it on your phone and you or just the camera inside of your computer, if you want to upload it to YouTube, if you click the create button and click upload video, you can select a file, and I'm just going to grab something that I already have. It will start this upload process, and then it will walk me through some steps. This lets you change the title. This does give you a URL. It generates a website, web address right away, so you could copy that and grab that. But I'm going to click next. Oh, I do need to. That's my bad. Down here, this is where you do, when you upload, have to choose yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not. I can click on that. This next screen I don't do anything with. And finally, visibility. As I mentioned, I always make them unlisted so that only those I want to see them, they have to have the link to see that video. Public means anybody can search for it on YouTube. Private means only you can see it. And then I click save, and it will finish that upload process. So that is a basic overview. Again, studio.youtube.com is that place where you can see your videos, manage them. And one final bonus, I like that I can see who's viewed my videos, how many views I've gotten. So know that you have these views here. Again, it won't tell me who they are, but at least you can tell how many students have viewed a video for you.